This is a striped jumpsuit that I got in mango. Actually not worn this. I think I know why. It's not my size. Just gonna Hey guys, welcome to Waka Waka. So this morning what I'll be doing is to make my own DIY mask, and I'll be using is an old garment that I have in my closet. In this particular jumpsuit, I'll be using the top part of it. I've only worn this outfit once. On the exterior part, it has a very lightweight linen fabric, and the inside has like a very light lining, which I think is appropriate for making mask. Also, why I chose this particular fabric is because when I place it on my nose, I'm able to breathe through it. So for fabric choices, you want to make sure that you have like a cotton fabric or a very light linen fabric to make your design. So I'm gonna go straight to it right now. I'm using my seam ripper to separate the upper part from the lower part of the garment so that it's more useful to me. I have only the front part left, and this is what I'm gonna work with. The first thing you want to do is create a paper pattern by measuring an 8 by 8 inch square, and that is what we're gonna use. Pin your pattern to your fabric and then cut is to fold this in half. Make sure it's equal. Notch or mark your fabric on both sides. The top part and the bottom part. You flip your fabric, make sure that it's alright, that it's well sewn, like that. You have the second pleat, and then you can create a third one. Like this, all of this is just free-handed too, or at least with the 8 inches. You have enough. Bring in your iron again, and you press down so that it sits well. So I've just sewn my mask now, and the next thing would be to attach the elastic on the sides of the mask. So I just finished making this mask, and I have one of the sides hanging here, and I'm just gonna wear it so that you guys see. What do you think? I kind of like it. It looks really good, and I can braid. Yay! I did it. Yay!